what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can speed up video in your Android phone. So first of all, if you are trying to speed up a video, Android device does not give you a default button for that. However, CapCut allows you to do that. So I'm pretty sure that everybody has CapCut in their device. If not, you can go ahead and install this. You can easily get it in your Play Store. So I'm going to simply take a project, and if this is a video which I would like to speed up, you're going to have to select the video itself. Swipe into your left, and here you will see speed. So tap on speed, select normal, and you can either speed it up to 2x or 5x. This is what it will look like if you do it for 5x. Let's go ahead and tap it play. So the actions are going to be very fast. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.